ahmed like ubda aigi hebidam lay forward pagali preface ka acknowledgement ka ada forward to like see na kam inspire to gade to guru de I'm not pretty sure, but the forward written by my friend Runendran Eve said it is something different, something unique. Adu mayam degi aina I am like say textbook ki forward im samda I am pamatamda like tim dang da thagat pa kukat pa adu to pa si sing sina useful to the research scholars etc sing aktani aduga magi style of presentation say forward writing say is very itself is very inspiring. Aduga preface na I am tam the author duna kari haini geno kari iruribano kamaina present oribano habna sim wahi say I am dan palli aduga ojani magi say it is actually is also really inspiring magi effort to poi thabak se adigi tungi document am thamu ba se ki ukho haibra sumnyam chagam udo adugi aduna khurum saraka tongi thamda da laijam ka ba adu madu ita aduni sangal ojamu bi bora pairaga school da phamaga ojano like ta piba so adugumba memorable events mayama ngasagi akoina su amadi tungdala kadwa mayamna su wari du paraganda kamai tongna horokibano habigi sabjawa message ma mami ma ta phang aduna kana gombi biography pabda asagi magi horphongi my culture gi hek kano image ma hek reflect hoy aina mamangai da satringai da kano Pakistan gi physics ki Nobel Prize phangba Abdul Salam hai phangta magi mtang da mathematics India gi mathematics ki professor na maming kaukre Abdul Salam mina kano mi biography ma adu parwada magi wari na to da ngasai gi magi Punjab saidor mane apopumje mane school kamatam da Hindu satra singra pun pun kamine ada mai mama pan haiba nang kan hono Hindu satra singduna ita thana first second da gini hain mongon ita tan hai se wari boba adu ni sangai adi mana kano se hojiki wari sida makoi gi society sida ngasai Punjab Lahore ni sing Punjab yam lei ba Hindu yam lei bani na Muslim sing do influence to eva mram ni makoi it kum tong tamda ayam tamda san jadi hai chap kam chungei dikhang de hojiki wari du dio hojiki Hindu sing duna Hindu Punjab sing influence to godi moi se mitcha ta su yari gi bipti thadui khotui hain moi culture adugumba wari example ki wani kana umi gi bar phi pa bada magi culture magi holpam adigi kamain holpa sigi he phang aduna khoi gi su ai wari sing roine di padri ain pa bai bu ain ibu di pare ain ibu ba dei di padri adi di mako khara ga pare ojamu bagi am holpa bora pura ke school ka ba wari bu adigi silteni aduga acknowledgement gumba pa ba ain thingam da ain engon impress to haijege kenogi yang bathok iba ke lagi raitam nei daina Arundhati Roy magi god of small things hana mali adik magi acknowledgement ja kyan ya the unique ge bo ai mo phauja bada sentence wahai ma khana loe just one word horuk pata ko mana acknowledgement to mi do adugi maming do tok haraga full stop mai to I di aina pa thingna bada something unique something different akoi desu angang ge desu akoi no chatong ge so haire you try to do something different something unique from the rest haina adugi style singi aduna akoi na so mayamna average da tori mayam digi something different something creative something important you just try to do have a message ama he pi wo jasina adu hujiki Arundhati Roy gi god small things have do adi the magi acknowledgement and some power with that am thina unique hoye adung sagi so ai gi asigi lai ki kano je forward to something unique something different and something really inspiring.